We partner with ServiceUp, who is an end-to-end vehicle repair management. It's a concierge pickup and delivery service, meaning it's kind of a white glove service. If the member hasn't been able to decide or hasn't picked a specific shop, say through the innovation group, we do have the opportunity to provide them service through ServiceUp, where ServiceUp would come pick up the damaged vehicle, conduct the repairs at one of their shops across the country, certified for those repairs, and once the repairs are completed, deliver the completed repaired vehicle back to the member, whether it's at their residence, place of work, wherever that may be. So very efficient partnerships through Innovation Group and ServiceUp. Combined, we have over 5,000 shops, partner repair shops across the United States through these two partners. A little bit again about ServiceUp. Faster turnaround times to a tech-driven platform with a vetted network of repair shops. So basically the same processes with innovation. They're going to vet those repair shops to make sure they meet those standards. If that customer is very busy or not sure where to go or just wants us to get it taken care of for them, ServiceUp is that partner to get that done. Just some photos there, ServiceUp inspecting the vehicle and ServiceUp returning the repaired vehicle to the customer. And with all of this, we've been able to develop a top-tier customer experience through these partners and through our professionals at Good Driver that will manage these events for our customers.